Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris of Digital Rim. And in this video, we're going to talk about your brand's purpose and why it's important to have that in your brand guideline. So with that being said, we're just going to hop right into it. Let's go. Alright, so first thing you want to do is start to clarify with the brand's why. Just ask, what is my brand's why? What is that? And the why being the purpose that communicates its brand's reasons for its existence and defining its impact on the world and how it seeks to make a difference. What is the ultimate objective of the brand? What's the ultimate goal of the brand? What's the ultimate mission of the brand? What's the ultimate why of the brand? What's the ultimate purpose of the brand? What's the difference it wants to make in the world, in people's lives, in companies' lives, in the community's lives? What is the thing that you want your brand to make an impact towards? And that's simply just asking yourself, like, why do I want this brand? Why do I want this thing? Please don't, if one of your answers is you just want to make a lot of money, write that down and put it off to the side, and then after that, then go on with more reasons why that you feel your brand has a purpose. So again, and then also you want to consider the aligning with consumers' values. Does your brand's why align with other people's values, not just your own? Like I was saying, put the money off to the side. Like, why does this help people? Why is this helping people? A strong brand purpose resonates with the consumers who share similar values and creating a sense of connection or community or loyalty to a specific brand, because they know your purpose aligns with their desires or their wants or their needs, and it's not based on something outside of themselves. So again, you want to repurpose your brand or refocus your brand if it's not focused in this already, but refocus your brand to be in the position of, how am I able to serve my audience? How am I able to serve my community? How am I able to serve my potential clients? How am I able to serve them? And once you are able to answer that question, you can answer your why, and you can start to feel for how you would need to talk to your audience and their personality and things like that, right? So you can find, at the end of the day, you end up with the ability to find like-minded individuals who can resonate with you, because that's their why. Like, hey, your why fulfills my need, right? And then also, with your purpose, you want to use it to motivate your team, motivate your employees, your partners, motivate them to understand your vision. The brand's purpose serves as a unifying force that motivates internal teams, partners, and stakeholders, right? So you want to just use this as like, hey, this is my vision. This is what we're doing, everybody. Like, rally up the troops. This is what we're doing. This is why we're all band together. This is what our mission is. Let's go and attack this thing. So again, that's like, once you help to define your why, then and it's outside of yourself, then you can get people who also have the same why to collaborate with, to move you, propel you towards that goal of getting to where you're trying to get to as a team, as a collective. So that being said, it's very, very important. Like, very, very important. You need a team regardless, but very, very important to establish your why, so people who are not only have the same why can work with you, but then also your why helps you understand how you can fulfill the needs of the people who are on the other end of that. Like, I do this for these people, and these people might need whatever I provide, so I'm able to understand who I'm providing it to, why I'm doing it, and have a vision for myself and have a vision for my brand. And again, not only for your brand, but for your organization. Like, you want to just think bigger as far as dream bigger, but think bigger as far as your team and how they grow and how they expand, and getting that real vision statement of where you could possibly be. That's kind of what inspires this shirt. Like, dreaming bigger, thinking bigger. Like, it's easy to get in a business thing, like, hey, I'm gonna get business and make money. But then once you get to answering questions like this, like, what is my why? Well, your why might be bigger than what you can do on your own. Your why might need and involve a team of people to collaborate together to reach that destination. So again, once you're able to define your why, then your vision changes, and then things get bigger than you actually thought of before. So again, that's actually one of the inspirations for this shirt. So with that being said, hopefully that inspires you to do that one thing, and that one thing today being like, write down your why. Like, why are you running the business? Why are you starting a business? Why is your team collaborating together to do this thing? What's the thing that's making everybody get out of bed and be like, you know what, we're gonna go to this job, we're gonna do this today, this is the thing we're gonna take time from our families to do. What is that why? Figure that out. It'll help you in the long run, but also it'll help you in the short run as far as like figuring out who your audience is, figuring out who might have the same why, where y'all can collaborate together. So that being said, hey, do that one thing like I always say. Y'all have a blessed day. Later, y'all. Peace.